Starting your coding journey can feel exciting yet overwhelming. Trust me, we've all been there, facing bugs, confusion, and hours of frustration. But don't worry. Today, we'll talk about the top 5 beginner mistakes in coding and how you can avoid them for a smoother journey. First mistake, diving into code without a plan. Coding isn't just about typing, it's about problem solving. Before starting, take time to understand a problem. Create a flowchart, sketch a solution, or even write down the logic step by step. Look at this flowchart example. It's a simple way to stay organized and tackle the problem one step at a time. Mistake 2, copying code without understanding. Copy-pasting code can be tempting, but if you don't understand it, it's like solving a puzzle blindfolded. Let's say you find this code snippet online. It's great to reuse code, but don't stop there. Take time to dissect it. Ask yourself, what does each line do? How does this logic work? This habit will save you from surprises later and turn you into a better problem solver. Mistake 3, neglecting debugging skills. Debugging can feel like a nightmare at first, especially when you're staring at error messages like this one. But here's the trick, don't panic. Break your code into smaller parts and test them step by step. Tools like print statements and debuggers can help you pinpoint issues quickly. Remember, debugging is a skill you build over time, so embrace the process. Mistake 4, ignoring best practices. Messy code might work today, but it'll give you headaches tomorrow. Take a look at this comparison. On the left, we have inconsistent, hard-to-read code. On the right, clean, properly formatted code with meaningful variable names and comments. Which one do you think will be easier to debug or share with others? Exactly. Follow best practices, and you'll thank yourself later. Mistake 5, skipping practice. Coding is like any other skill. It takes consistent practice to improve. You don't have to start with complex projects. Look at these small project ideas, a calculator app, a to-do list, or even a basic website. Each project you complete builds your confidence and helps you grow. Remember, progress, not perfection, is what matters. Now that you know how to avoid these common mistakes, let me tell you about a resource that can truly transform your coding journey, iswad.tech. At Iswad, we don't just teach coding, we guide you step by step, making sure you overcome these beginner challenges with confidence. Our courses are designed to help you build strong foundations, solve problems confidently, avoid common pitfalls through guided lessons and expert feedback. You'll also be part of a supportive community, collaborating with peers and getting personalized guidance from our mentors. Visit iswad.tech to learn more about our courses and see how we can support your coding journey. Your success story starts here. Let's build it together